What's up, everybody? It's Peter, and today I'm going to be showing you some basic Python stuff. First of all, how to do a variable, make variables, and modify variables. First of all, open up your idle Python, hit File, New, and then you'll get a new file like this. So, what is a variable? A variable is anything. It can be named anything. Well, not really anything, but it stores information. For example, x equals 1. That is now a variable. X is a variable. And there's this function called the print statement, which you guys must be using Python 3.10, which is what I'm using. You write it like this: print, open parentheses, and you can put x, that parentheses. And then if I go to run and run module, you just hit F5, which is what I'm going to do. It'll run. But first of all, hit save as, and then name it whatever you like. So let's run. A window like so will pop up, and it will print 1. And now just to show you the other way to do it, you could just say print 1. This might not seem very useful right now, but what if you have to print x many different times? Like, what if x equals try hard ninja? Try to be a ninja. Then you can hit print x. But x can be many different things. 1, try to be a ninja. That could also have been changed to y. But the one thing is that we just modified the variable. See? And this, the first print statement is printing x. And if I look at it and I run it again, we said x equals try to be a ninja now. So x has been changed to try to be a ninja. So then when we print x, it prints that. They can be different things. It can be an integer, 1, a float, 0.5, 1.0, a string, blah, 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 and yeah. Variables can also be more complex things, but that's like the basics. But now, we have x equals, I'll show you how to make a multiline thing. X equals, and then this. 1, 2, 3 different quotes. I like ducks. And hit enter and write, I think they are cute. This is called a multi-line string. Then if we print x, save it, and run it, we'll get, look, it says 1, try to be a ninja. I like ducks. I think they are cute. 2 lines from just one that. Now, how to modify existing variables. We're going to use a new variable. N equals 15. Print n. First of all, we will do addition. You say n equals n plus 15, which is really simple. And then you say print n, and it'll be 16. But there's another way. N plus equals 15. Which means n equals itself plus 15. We run. Look, see? And it'll print, I like ducks, 15. And then, well, what we did is we added 15 to it. So 15 plus 15 is 30. We printed n first up there, 15. And if we had another print statement, it should say 30 under that. And delete that for now. That, and then run it. And then, let's see, we just have 15, 30, and 45. Because we updated the variable every single time, see? N equals 15, then we added 15, then we added another 15. But what if we want n to go back to 15? We do n minus equals 30. Print n, wait, whoopsie, n. Now, You can do the same for multiplication and division. But the division is like n equals times equals 10, and that is how you write divided by equals 10. Wait, we have to hit print n, and I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom and print n, and now watch as our magic works. 115, then we divide it by 10. Changes itself from an integer to a float. You can tell between those because of the 0.0 at the end. Now, we're asking why don't we use this symbol for division? That is known as modulo. Modulo can be checked to see if it's divisible by 2, divisible by 3, like it returns true or false. So you guys know if and if statement. For example, if n is greater than 14, print n, then you can say print n plus is, and you have to put a space, is greater than 14. And now if we run that, do all of our math, and n equals 15 at the end. What? Oh, I forgot something. You have to put str. Then you do that, and then it converts like numbers into strings. It's weird. It says 15.0 is greater than 14. Wow, like it is. Now we'll define ourselves a new variable. Y equals 25. If n modulo 2 equal true, print it is even. Oh, I know. Whoopsie. Print str y is plus is even. Well, actually, oh wait, we've got to do that. You got to add the quotes. I actually think that for when it's just integer, not a float, you don't need the str. Just see. Oh, oopsie, we have to make it like that, true. And then we put an else. If it's not, print y plus that space is odd. The reason this works is because modulo equals 0, my bad. So, modulo 2 equals 0. Modulo means it gets the remainder of a division. Like, for example, if, oh wait, whoopsie, y. What is going on today? If y. For example, say y was 14. If modulo 0, is it even divided by 0? What's the remainder? None. It'll print y is even. Let's check our code. Oh, yep. You still need the str. str just turns anything into a string. So don't forget that. What? Huh? Did not work. And then we hit OK. 25 is odd. Okay? Now that is some basics. And now we're going to write a function. Is number odd? So define your function. Def is underscore number odd. Like that. Then open up your parentheses and put in n. Put that and hit enter. This is defining a function. Is number as odd as the name. This is a parameter, n. Okay? So, and to say if n modulo 2 equals 0, enter, print, it's even. Now, else, print, it's odd. Now, since I want to say, now we can actually change it, so it's like this. Go like this. We're gonna put like str and space plus. Now strn space plus. And now how to run a function. What was that parameter for anyway? N is the parameter. Now let's see. I could say is. Let's change it to is it odd. Is underscore it underscore odd. Open that up and we put the number. What number should we do? We'll do multiple different ones. 5. Oh, I know. I'm gonna just change it to the number you would like. You can use random numbers, but we're not going into that in this unit. Then we're going to do something really fun. 5, and then this is to the power of 5. Let's run. Look, it's they made them all odd. Let's maybe add a couple of evens. This, it, odd, to the power of 12. At 5, let's see, what's it gonna be? 4096 is even. Now that is basics of variables and modulo. Thank you for listening.